How to create a poll on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then open the group chat you want to create a poll in, as it is only available in the group chat. Then click on the plus button at the bottom left corner of your screen in the group chat. Then click on Poll, which is the last option below Locations. Then type in your question in What's your poll about? After that, click on Add Options. And then type in your answers for the poll. Again, click on Add Option and add the option. You can add how many you want. Then press on Create Poll at the bottom, and then it will be sent to the group chat. This is how to create a poll on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.